Have you ever used tarragon for cooking? Tarragon, it's also known as estragon, is a perennial herb of the family of Astraceae. The Latin name is Artemisia dracunculus. It can be purchased dried but also fresh. Here I bought a bunch of fresh tarragon leaves. It's very light and gives a fantastic flavor to light dishes. They can be meat dishes or other dishes. So I remove the tarragon leaves from the stems and finally chop it before adding it to a chicken stew which I made. The smell and the taste of fresh tarragon is so powerful, so you don't want to add too much tarragon to your dish. Tarragon is extremely light and intense, so if you haven't ever tried it, go for it, buy a bunch, and it combines itself really well with chicken, pork, maybe also some white fish. You can't really go wrong, apart from adding too much, which I can only recommend to avoid. I hope you've enjoyed this video and bon appétit.